Welcome back, Nebraska fans. I'm out here on my bike. It's a beautiful Thursday, around 11 a.m. on Thursday, November 19th. It's not too far. Thanksgiving is next week, and it's gonna be 74 degrees out here today. So I'm out here between meetings, taking advantage of one of these last, I keep saying it, but this has got to be one of the last nice days of the year. So, and I'm out here doing something I have been looking forward to for a long time. I'm parked by Wilderness Park, which is over here. And I'm getting onto the Jamaica trail, the bike trail that goes by Wilderness Park, kind of in a north-south, south of Lincoln. And there is a new trail bridge crossing the railroad tracks and connecting to the Rock Island Trail over by the Cooper YMCA here in Lincoln, Nebraska. And that bridge just opened up in this month, just a couple of weeks ago, and I haven't been able to get out here yet. So this is one of my last good opportunities. Get out here, enjoy some sunshine. Hopefully, won't be too many people out, and I'll just get a nice bike ride in before I have to go back to work. So I just wanted to give a shout out to the folks who have done fundraising for this bridge to help out our city and our trails, especially Sara Hartzell, city planner here in Lincoln, who has been working on this project for about 3 years. And incidentally, she's my aunt-in-law, I guess you would say, my wife's uncle's wife. So yeah, thank you, Sarah, very much for your effort, and the Trails Network and everyone who's done fundraising and put work into getting this bridge done. So we are gonna go hop on this bike and enjoy it. So I'm gonna put a little time-lapse mode on this camera so you can get a feel for what the trail looks like and what it looks like when we get to the bridge. Hope you enjoy it. All right, I made it to this side. I'm right behind the Cooper Y, and the trail going off this way heads back towards Highway 2 and 27th Street, and then we just came from this way over the new bridge. So this is the big junction point where you can just get on any one of these three directions and ride. Jamaica Trail goes all the way, I think, to Beatrice, so you can get all over. But hope you enjoyed the view, and thanks again to everyone who contributed to this trail. See you again next time.